What's your take? Like, should an enterprise buy a CDP like Salesforce or Adobe, or build on a warehouse like Snowflake or BigQuery?
Yeah, to be honest, like every organization is different here.
Right,
In
right.
terms of tech stack, they might follow, let's say, Google BigQuery as their central data warehouse. So then, in those cases, if they have good, in-house data engineering team, they can go for building in-house collections, activation targets. But yeah, I mean, it could backfire as well if they're not keeping up to date with the connections, updated APIs. So it's going to be very careful in that sense.
And that's where I think the our role comes into picture.